All right, guys, we have the 73rd hired request on the list up today. Brandy, You're a Fine Girl by Looking Glass. Groovy song. Let's take a listen to it. I have the piano sound layered with the electric piano sound on my keyboard. So we have 1, 2, 3. So forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my Easy Piano Lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All the lessons for this, all the way through all the keyboard stuff, is on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone, all genres, all skill levels. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have 50 basic beginner lessons if you don't know anything about piano or music. We all have to start somewhere. And look me up on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. Okay. We have lots of sharps in this. Sorry, but I always do the, just like I hear it from the album. That's kind of my thing, is giving you accurate transcriptions from the stuff you guys you hire me to work on for you. I'm just going to switch to just piano here so that we can just hear the notes more cleanly. You have a cool vintage keyboard sound, synth sound you can use to emulate. Go for it. E, G sharp, B, C sharp, E. Gonna roll that up. Just kind of melts away. That left hand on C sharp octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they have the drums and the bass and other instruments going. So if you're with your band, you don't got to do that. You just play it. If you're by yourself, you got to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to kind of vamp a little bit, which just means play the note you're already playing, play the chord you're already playing again until it's time to go to the next thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and, which will be B, E with 2 and 5, flip to 3 for C sharp. Left hand goes to A octave. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and, na 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 na. So a little lick all right off the bat. B and E. Let's see. I'll use 3 and 5. Then I'll go with F sharp, B, 2 and 5, flip to G sharp with your 3, back to F sharp, then E, A, B, E to C sharp. So, bum, ba, da, 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 again, da, 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 da. I listened really closely to get every little detail in there as best I could. Beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now I'm going to do this. E, G sharp, B, E, left hand on a C sharp. That's a C sharp minor 7. 1, 2, 3, and. So I can play your chord and count to 3. 1, 2, 3. You can hit that B again, and then C sharp and E with left hand on A. So 1, 2, 3. And then to do that, E on the thumb, then E and A together, flip to F sharp, back to E. And then F sharp B with 2 and 5, flip to G sharp with your 3. And then F sharp B with 2 and 5, then go to E. Ba ba da 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 is that measure. Ba ba da da da. The left hand will just stay on A. Okay, so starting here, 1, 2, 3. Then we have na, 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 da, da, which is left hand first, B, then right hand G sharp, E, B. Left hand B, F sharp, D sharp, B. Ba, 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 ba. That's it. Let's go from the beginning. 2 and ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. I love doing these old songs. So fun. A lot of this stuff I've kind of heard but never really learned or listened too much, and it's neat to get to teach it to you guys and really learn it myself. So hope you enjoyed the part 1. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.